Hey everybody, welcome back to our kitchen and welcome back to our channel. We're going to make some Irish garlic Parmesan mashed potatoes. So we took 3.5 pounds of potatoes and we peeled them. We diced them into big chunks like this. We're going to add them to our pot here. We did let the potatoes sit in cold water for a half an hour. That helps remove some of the starch to make a better potato. And I'm going to take some of this bacon salt and add to them. That stuff's pretty good. Pretty good. And we're going to bring them to a boil and let them cook for 15 to 20 minutes until they're fork tender. While those potatoes are getting ready, we're going to need 4 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese softened. We're going to need a stick of 3/4 stick of the Kerrygold butter, which we've got, and a 1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan, grated Parmesan. I saw this trick the other day. I think this is awesome. I'm just going to use my potato peeler. Peel this off of here. Alexa, stop. I have a really nice ski dowel, but I already have the potato peeler dirty, so why not just use this? And it works great. Shout out to Jessica Seacrest, the angry cooking lady on YouTube, because this is a phenomenal idea. So we need a 1/2 cup of this Parmesan. Why are you stealing my Parmesan?
I had to make sure it wasn't poison.
Okay, me too. Hey!
I'm not sure if it's poison or not.
The first one told you it wasn't.
It wasn't enough to kill me if it was poison. That's good.
That's really good Parmesan. Once it's like that, you can just crumble this right on up then.
That's how you shave your Parmesan.
That's how you shave your Parmesan. So when our potatoes are done, we're going to be ready with all of this. Our potatoes are done. We're going to go ahead and pull these off and drain them. And then we're going to let them sit for about 2 minutes before we mash them to let them dry. So our potatoes have rested for 1 minute to 2 minutes. We're going to go ahead and add in our butter. We're just going to mash that up a little bit. We're going to add in our 4 ounces of cream cheese. And half of your 1/2 and 1/2, which is 3/4 cup to a cup is the whole. So we're just going to add half of that. Mash that all together. Got to add in some of the Kinder's buttery garlic and herb. About a tablespoon, and our Parmesan cheese. Mash this all together, stir it together. Let that Parmesan get down in there and get melted in with everything. And those babies are ready to go underneath that hamburger steak that we made. We're gonna scoop up some of these Irish garlic Parmesan mashed potatoes and put right down on the bottom of our plate here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, turn on those notifications. Until next time, folks, stay cooking for more home-style cooking.